How the thinky? You broke no square. What you do?
I'm good in a shepherd. And happy new year to you.
Happy you call it? I will just say it's a new year.
So it's not happy for you, sir?
While it might be a happy one for some, it might not be a happy one for some.
God have mercy. Shepherd,
Bubbles.
me not like how that sound.
It don't have to be like that, you know. Bubbles. It's not every time you see me it is doom and gloom, you know. But right now, it is not so much of a good news.
And that me a worry about, shepherd.
Bubbles. Let me tell you this. It's not everything me see we happening from me no God. But some of the things that we see, it means that you have to prepare yourself. And if you don't prepare yourself, then maybe it won't happen.
That might be true. What you see now, shepherd?
Well, I'm seeing a pot with about 6 dumplings and 5 pieces of yam and about 4 finger banana. And some saltfish.
Shepherd, sorry to say, no food like that not around there. All I have in the fridge is some birthday cake.
Well, all that I have I give it thee. You can cut 2 hunk. One for me and one for Mildred.
Alright, shepherd.
No. That can't turn until I'm ready for leave. We need to talk to you. Well, what I want to talk to you about, Bubbles, is that I'm seeing some things. You see the battles that you are fighting? Some are foreign and some are local. Some are physical. But then, some are spiritual. I keep hearing one foreign language. I don't quite work it out yet. But as soon as I work it out, I will tell you. Because the spirit tell me say, the foreign, you need it too far. But the immediate problem at hand is this place that I am seeing. Top Hill. And my lily girl, we are associated with Uno. We name, our name again. And Nancy.
Anise, shepherd. You did tell me about her.
Same difference. You see, Bubbles, there is a shadow around this little girl, and it is getting darker and darker and darker. Dark shadow! She needs to be released. And it looks like somebody after her.
The truth is, shepherd, she's a suspect in a crime. Her own kidnapping. And it seemed like she involved with some really dangerous people. So we try ease the information out her.
It's not Uno alone suspect her. The period them suspect her too. But there is somebody who is after her. And Uno may need to reach her and warn her before that somebody get to her. And in here look like it pretty too.